Hello and a very warm welcome to my spaghetti and minced meat class. If you are new here, my good name is Sharon Shagiri and this is Cooking with Shani, where we talk about cooking ideas for the common African kitchen, lifestyle, diet, and of course we do improve our self-esteem in the kitchen. Spaghetti and minced meat is a quick fix meal, very ideal for a Friday evening after a long week's work. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so and give my video a like to help me grow. And for my ingredients, I'm having 400 grams of freshly minced meat. It is appearing a bit clumpy because I am just from mincing my meat. I also need a cup of peas, slightly boiled in water and the water drained. I also need some cooking oil, a cup of water, 3 large blended tomatoes. I prefer having them grated if you don't have a blender, but please just don't use your tomatoes in whole. I also need 1 large red onion chopped. I also need a tablespoon of tomato paste, some salt to taste, 1 green pepper chopped, 3 cloves of garlic crushed, 2 beef cubes and 1 beef chili cube. I also need 1 grated carrot, coriander stems and leaves, and a pack of spaghetti. Heat oil in a pan and follow closely with a pinch of salt. Stir everything thoroughly to allow for good mixing of the oil with salt even as the oil is heating up. And then follow this closely with your red onion, green pepper, coriander stems and carrots. Saute these for 3 minutes over high heat before adding your garlic and adjusting your heat to a minimum. And then finally add your minced beef and break it down into smaller chunks to allow for adequate mixing with your vegetable seasonings. Five to 7 minutes of cooking my minced beef on low heat. All the juices of my meat have dried up and I am adding my cubes to further sediment the good infused flavor and aroma from my vegetable seasonings I'm having here. I will then go in with my blended tomatoes and give my pot a good stir before covering it to simmer for another 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, I like what I'm having and it's time to add my tomato paste and stir adequately. Then my green peas will follow. I prefer to boil my green peas a bit and drain the water to get rid of excess gas that comes with green peas to cause bloating. And time to add my glass of water and simmer everything to a thick gravy for 5 minutes. See you then just before I add my coriander leaves and serve our meal. As the minced meat is simmering in another pot, I am doing spaghetti by adding water and a pinch of salt and bringing everything to boil before immersing my spaghetti straws, all to cook for about 8 minutes before draining the excess water. A little history into spaghetti. It is a staple food of the traditional Italian cuisine under the pasta group, made of milled wheat, water, and sometimes enriched with vitamins and minerals. Remember, do not wash your spaghetti before cooking and avoid breaking it into smaller pieces as well. Just allow it to cook and dissolve in your water whole. Finally, my minced beef is ready. Time to just add my coriander leaves and give everything a good stir before I get to serve my delicious meal. After 8 minutes of simmering, my spaghetti is also ready to serve. I mean, just look at the lanky threads. They really look appealing to me. And finally, our perfect combo is here. Today I am actually feeling very tired, but I really had to cook something in my kitchen for you guys, and that is the loyalty I have with my channel. I really hope you are going to try this. This is actually a special dedication for your lazy days. Ensure you try this and let me know about your feedback in the comment section. Please ensure you like my video, and I hope you've learned something new today. Until next time, goodbye. Enjoy your weekend.